Good evening, everybody. Uneducated Economist here. So this is going to be a very short video. I noticed that a lot of people are talking about Poland and the 100 tons of gold that they had repatriated from the Bank of England. Very interesting story. So when I went to go do some research on it, I realized there was another story that came out of Poland that I thought was quite interesting as well, and it had to do with mortgages. Now, a number of years ago, borrowers had borrowed or at least promised to pay back mortgages in Swiss francs. When they did this, they got a better interest rate for it. So now here it is a number of years later, and these mortgages are now have become a burden to the people as the Swiss franc has strengthened quite a bit to the local currency over there. Now, forgive me if I get this wrong, but I believe the local currency is called the zlotys. Anyway. So the people have taken it to court. They're saying, hey, these banks, they kind of screwed us on the Swiss franc deal. We were promised to, pay back a lower interest rate, but really we're having to pay back even more because the Swiss franc has strengthened so much. And the Supreme Court looked at it and said, you know what? You're right. You don't have to pay back in Swiss francs. You can pay back in your local currency, and you get to pay back in that cheaper interest rate that the Swiss franc was promising you as well. Isn't that something? It's the first time I've ever heard of the borrower being able to do the old switcheroo on the bank. Uneducated Economist, you guys let me know.